Okay, we are building plank and it's going to be really simple. We're going to take a primitive object, turn on your center line, grab a cube, place it, and now we're going to choose the width. Okay, that's fine. Let's move that to the side. We're going to mirror it and turn your subdivision level all the way up. So smash those two boys together, and then we are going to work on creating Plank's notch in his head, that little cutout in the very top. All we got to do to make that is to create a section here, and then we're going to connect these 2 points. Do the same on the back side. The reason for that is so that we can just delete these faces. Oh, okay, so I forgot they're mirrored. Let me just go ahead and back up, unmirror them. Okay, now back to what I was saying. We're going to delete these faces, and then we're just going to close them up by extruding the 2 lines from the top. And now we got the notch, but it's a little off center. That's better. And we need to sharpen the edges. All we have to do for that is to create a group of vertices on the side, 2 groups on the side, and then we will stretch them out, or excuse me, move them out to the side and slowly give more edge to plank. And the last thing we need to do is crease up the edges at the top and at the bottom of this notch. So now let's just pull that up. We got a nice crispy edge there. We got a nice crispy edge here. And then we got our crispy edges here. Super simple. We just have to now do the same thing to the bottom. And bam. That's all there is to it. Maybe you want to warp some of the wood, pull some of these corners out so it's not completely perfect. I'd imagine Johnny has left Plank or taken Plank out into the rain sometimes. Maybe Plank's a little uneven in places from some swelling. Okay. And bam. There's Plank.